Today I learned 118 videos. Hey guys! This is a real video? We made that? My name is Aaron Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna show you 5 years of progression. Or maybe not. I just came up with that title. I thought it sounded good, but we're gonna see what happens. So here was the idea that I had. You know, I'm in my garage, we're in quarantine, and I'm going a little bit stir crazy. So I'm trying to figure out some videos to make that I think would be fun for me and that I think would be fun for you. So I thought of this idea. Why don't I pull up the videos where I did all those Today I Learns and I try and redo those tricks now, and we sort of compare what it was like then to what it's like now and see if I've improved. Because there's a lot of comments on the YouTube channel. I read them when I'm going to sleep at night. I'm usually, spider on my shirt, no big deal. And I'm usually reading them kind of like this. Everybody's mean. Just kidding. I love you guys. You guys are the best. But leave it in the comments below. So I'm just gonna go to YouTube here. We're gonna search Aaron Kyro Today I Learned. Today I learned 118 videos. There we go. What should we start with? Well, the second one that comes up is Today I Learned Laser Flips.
You can do those now though.
You know, some people say a lot of things, Daniel. Okay, the first one I'm gonna look at right here. Hey guys, for my next. Is that really? This is a real video? We made that? Listen to this. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, hold on. The video is 6 minutes and 52 seconds long, and that's edited. So imagine that probably took me 6 minutes, probably took me, wait, I just realized I haven't warmed up. Do I get to warm up for this video or straight into it? No warm up, okay. Persistence, and work. Is that where the persistence video is coming? I did learn it. Okay, I somehow learned it, but now I can't land it again. Okay guys, today I learned varial heel flips, 5 minutes and 24 seconds. So I think the best way to do this, you ready? Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes, 24 seconds.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes and 24 seconds.
No warm up, hold on, first try. There we go. Ouch. Let's see if we can do this. In under 5 minutes and 24 seconds, which I think that probably literally took me half hour, 45 minutes. Let's see if we can land it here. First try! Yeah, how do you like me now? Let's see which one is better though. Play the old one, play that one. See which one is better. I mean, that's progression right there, no? I gotta do a better one. This is where I start to have a lot of mental situations and not land it. When I go, oh, let's do a better one. And then you wonder to yourself, if I didn't say that, would I have missed it? If you've seen The Matrix, you know what I'm talking about. If I didn't mention anything, would you have knocked over the flowers? I love The Matrix. Daniel, I love heel flips. What? Skateboarding is fun. Skateboarding is fun. You can have fun. I've learned over the years, if you land it the first try, it doesn't matter how bad it is. Because getting better at skateboarding is getting better, and I need to do it better than I did it before. That, my friend, was a V-heel! If the best videos we ever make are right here in the garage, leave it in the comments below. We'll just shut the Braille house down. 2 problems I can see with this varial heel. One is that it literally popped and rolled like this. No, I don't think the board ever left the ground. And then when I landed, I went like this. I don't even remember what the other one looks like. What I've got to do. That's what I'm talking about! Okay, so we got 2 minutes and 3 seconds left. Wait, I don't know how to end a timer. How do you end a timer? 1 minute and 50 seconds to go. Not bad! If you feel that I've progressed, leave it in the comments below. Aaron, please stop saying to leave it in the comments. Okay, I won't. I won't say it if you leave it in the comments below. Literally, hold on, zoom in. 5 years ago, I literally just full blown just thought it was a good title. The number 5. Always a good title, number 5, right? What trick should we do next? Leave it in the comments below. What trick should we do? Let's see. Here we have varial heel flips, which we did. Heel flip challenge compilation, I don't even know what that is. Backside double flips. Should we do that next? If that obnoxious song is in the beginning, I'm gonna lose it. Today, I'm here with Gabe Cruz, and Gabe wanted to learn a backside double flip, and I was was like, you know, I should learn a backside double flip. So we're gonna learn backside double flips. This video is 5 minutes, 51 seconds. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes, 51 seconds.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes and 51 seconds.
I love your sweet accent. They didn't say triple, Aaron. They said a double flip. Come on, boy. Don't let your father down like that. Why? Whenever I don't land a trick, I make up like a little excuse in my head. Right now, I will land this, and it will be first try. What's love got to do with it? We're gonna take it as a land with 4 minutes, 21 seconds left, but not a good land. Also, I'm in the garage, and there's a pandemic outside, and it's stressful. I could get an extra minute for that. By the way, I hope you guys are being safe and healthy. Please stay home, be safe and healthy. Because I feel like the one I probably landed there was really good. Nice space, flat ground. Not that this isn't flat, but it's not the smoothest. Would you count it? When the cameraman says it's a definite land, it means like you landed it, but it wasn't good. Okay. Just think, Shane O'Neill. Did Shane O'Neill ever do this trick? Literally never once. He's never landed it. I feel like he just doesn't do tricks like this. They're like below him. One day he was playing a game of skate, and it was the first day he ever missed the Rochambeau, and the other person landed it, and he's like, whatever, I guess I'll do it. And then he did it perfect. Right here, Shane O'Neill, I got your back. Could that have been any worse? A minute 55. Backside double 360. You ever do a trick and you think, I hope nobody saw that? Leave it in the comments below. If I was on that ground, I would have landed that perfect. 1 minute and 1 second to go. I might fail this one. 9 seconds left. Perfect! No toe, no heel. We're out here. I'm gonna give it one singular, that's right, just one more try. And whatever, we take the best one and we're gonna compare it. I'm gonna watch the one I did in there. Oh, it was the one and only try that I'm gonna take. I'm not gonna take another try. Wouldn't do that. For real? Está muy caliente. We're in a garage, give me a break. I'm taking it. We're gonna end there and move on. I think we should do 5 years, 5 tricks. You think I got that one or no? Now that the wind is gusting like... See? Gone with the wind. Literally blaming everything. Don't tell me I don't mess you up, it do. I literally landed the next one. And it was pretty good too. Is it just showing the same one over and over and over? That is Lance Silver at his finest. It's literally showing me doing the same backside double flip repeated. Okay, what should we do next? Today I learned inward heel. Today I relearned inward heel. I don't think I actually ever learned it. Half cab heel flips. Oof. Triple kick flips. Hospital flips. Do we do that? Hey guys, so you might remember like a couple weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, I did, what is it called? It's a half Casper flip. Wait, am I doing it standing still? Well, literally, I'm standing still the whole time. I feel like I got it down. One thing about the old videos that's also super funny is I have the mic on, and every time I try and do a trick, and I'm sorry for it, it just, ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't know how else to skate really. 7 minutes and 47 seconds into the video, we landed a hospital flip. I think I usually do what's called a half Casper flip. Little breakdown here. So you pop it like this, and then you go like this. That's a hospital flip. So it's like half kick flip, flip it over. The only difference between that and a Casper flip goes half kick flip, and you hit it with your back foot, flip it over, which I much prefer, and I might just do. So I might just cheat this. Hey Siri, set a timer for 7 minutes, 47 seconds. Thank you, sir. That was better than the one I did in there. 2 tries. That was pretty good, right? And he gets wheel bite and still lands it. 3 in a row, then I actually learned it. Kinda. Why? You know what's crazy? Who did it better, me or Johnny Geiger? I'm gonna play mine. We're gonna play Johnny Geiger's clip. Because you know what he did? He made the board 360 at the end. How was that second one so good? You know what Andy did the other day? He did that like fakey big spin style. So good. Well, I think that one's completed. 5 minutes left. It's just lovely to see so much time on there. I think for the next one to make it extra hard on myself, I think we do a heel flip variation. Go back to this playlist. This whole playlist is gonna be in the description below, guys. Pressure flip. Today I learned nightmare flip. This thumbnail is literally a picture of me dancing like this. Tray double flips is one. Feather flips, ooh.
What is that one?
It's like that, what I just did, only just this. Today I learned nollie tray flips. Ooh, that might get me. Should we do it? Okay, we're gonna do the half cab heel, and if I get it in time, I'm gonna try a nollie tray in the same time. And then we're gonna end this video with, you guessed it. Did you hear that? I said laser flip. ASMR, skateboard videos. Today I learned half cab heel flips. 5 minutes, 47 seconds. Howdy y'all. Today I'm gonna try and learn me some half cab heel flips. For real?
I picked this one as the first one to do in my Aaron learns all the heel flip variations.
First one?
Video.
You idiot!
Half cab heel's gotta be the easiest one.
What? Did I say that? There's no way. I'm in a garage. There's no way I can land it. That's not even fair. And I landed at 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Can we do the full length of the video on this one? I know you tried to give that to me, but I'm not gonna cheat. 4 minutes, 17 seconds it is. Half cab heel. Set a timer for 4 minutes, 17 seconds. First try! This one just makes my blood boil. Oh, you probably got this all day. And the full 180, which is in the garage with no push, hard. You gotta give me a little bit of a bias on that, what do you call it? That was close. That was actually pretty good. I'm gonna fully take that. And I'm gonna give it 3 more tries to get a little bit better. We've got 2 minutes, 42 seconds left. In the garage. Give me a break. That was pretty good, right? A minute, 44 seconds. We're just going nollie tray. First try, every try. Get out. I would say in the last 5 years I've gotten a little bit better. 58 seconds to go. Thank you.
That is a new trick learned.
Yes, it is. It was literally perfect. No tic-tac, nothing. But, you know, we're in a garage, okay? Just go, yeah, you know what I mean? Okay, what did I say was last? Today I learned
Get a couple of those.
laser flips.
Hey guys.
Isn't it
Today
interesting to hear the music?
I'm going to learn how to do a laser flip, where your board goes like this.
There's an old video, I'm pretty sure it was put out by Alien Workshop, and there's a guy in it who has a part, and he does a bunch of laser flips, and every time he does a laser flip, they put the sound effect on.
Every time it does that, for some reason it makes this noise. It's really weird.
Okay, there it is. 6 minutes and 3 seconds in. I think my toe fully dragged, yeah.
I know my toe was off. I know there's a little bit of toe drag.
That's how tired I was, extremely tired. I'm kind of scared of this one, I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, didn't you do this in the game of skate first try?
You know what, Daniel?
You've done that a few times.
I didn't. It was second try. Hey, Surrey, set a timer for 6 minutes and 3 seconds, please. Laser heel. Oh, I can't even begin. It takes so much energy, and to do this one last, it's literally impossible. Oh, bodied. There's a secret to this. I'm not gonna tell you unless I land in the next 3 tries. Everyone watching today gets a free laser flip. Notice how much energy it takes out of me? Well, this is embarrassing. Stop! Stop looking at me. It's also a lot of pressure to the audience. Eye of the Geiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Can't land it like that. 3 minutes, 53 seconds. That actually made me more tired. Okay, here's the secret. Your back foot pops that way. The board goes that way, you land. That's actually like one of the easiest tricks on a skateboard. Actually tried to hit my head on accident and I hit it on purpose. I'm counting that as a land. The first time took me well over an hour. Let's go! 9 seconds, 8 seconds left. We're gonna do an even better one. If I wasn't in the garage, I would have rolled away straight, would have been perfect. Dang it. I think we did them all. Less time that it took the video to play, which the actual trick to do was a lot longer. I feel like I tried that laser flip, I gotta land another one. Doesn't have to be better, but here's my philosophy on getting better at skateboarding. You never end on one that you didn't land. You know what I mean? Because then you kind of leave with the idea, oh, I can't land it. But if you end on one that you landed, even though it's bad, you leave with the idea, I can land it. So we're gonna do that just now. Not for you, not for me, for me. I mean, would that count on defense? Leave it in the comments below. No! I would take that on defense and count it. Leave it in the comments below if you guys think I have improved at all in the last 5 years. And if you like the style of this video, leave me a comment below and tell me what you'd like to see us make next. You guys are amazing and we love you. Check out all those videos right there. There's even an amazing playlist. Yes, a playlist. You can watch all the videos. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, it's your time. Learn how to ride a skateboard. BrailleSkateboarding.com. We got everything you need.